everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make a piñata base. So the first thing you need is a large balloon. I picked up these punch ball balloons at the Dollar Tree. You'll also need some flour, some water, a mixing bowl, of course your newspaper, and some scissors. So I'm not going to show you how to make the panda from Word Party. If you want to see the piñata decorated, just go ahead and leave me a comment below or like the video. Just let me know that you want to see that. I didn't know how many people were interested, so I didn't actually do that. I just made a base. That way you can decorate it the way you want. So the first thing you need to do is cut your newspaper into large, long strips. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so in total I used about 3 newspapers for one piñata. So after you're done cutting your strips up, you're going to work on the paste. So the paste is super easy and super cheap to make. All it is a cup of flour and a cup of water. And you want to go ahead and mix it until you get almost like a pancake batter consistency. So you don't want it super thick, but then you don't want it runny. So just add the water slowly until you get that texture you want. Also, make sure that whatever surface you're going to be working on, you lay some newspaper down on, because it will get super messy. So once our paste is made, we're going to go ahead and start working on covering our piñata. So what I did next is I laid my balloon inside of a bowl. That way I have something to hold it as I work laying my newspaper on it. So you dip your newspaper strips inside the paste and just remove off any of the excess with your fingers. I laid them in a vertical direction, but you're free to do it any way you want. Just make sure that you leave the string and a hole at the top of the balloon so you're able to remove the balloon later on once you have your mold. So as you can see, making a piñata is not hard at all, and it's actually really cheap. I was able to find a lot of the supplies I needed either at home or at my local Dollar Tree, which was great. So if you have any kid birthdays coming up, I definitely recommend you try this. So once you complete one of the layers, you're going to go ahead and let it dry overnight, just so it has time to harden before you start a new layer. In total, it took me about 4 layers of newspaper on each balloon, so a total of 3 newspapers. And each time I mixed 1 cup of water and 1 cup of flour. So once they're dry and complete, you're going to go ahead and take the string, pop the balloon, and just pull it out of that hole. So that'll be your hole where you fill your piñata with candy. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or want to see the Word Party LULU panda made, just go ahead and leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.